Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the error code Roblox error code 533. So stick along and let's get straight into it. Now the error code here, we need to go to the top right corner where the cogwheel settings are. From there go to settings, and once you're in your settings, simply go down to privacy. And once you're in privacy, scroll all the way down till you find the other settings right here. Now the thing that we need to change is who can make me a member of their private server. Simply press everyone. And who can join me in experience, simply press everyone. Now what this will do, it will fix the 533 error code. It will save automatically, and now we're heading to the next method. Now for the next method, we're simply going down to the search bar right here, and we type in Windows Defender Firewall right here. Now open up Windows Defender Firewall and select the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here there are a bunch of applications. What you will do is choose the preferred browser you're using. So let's say you're using Google. Simply type in your keyboard Google and it will automatically take you to Google Chrome. Now from there change these settings, and once your settings can be changed, simply select the private and public check mark and press OK. This is very important. Now if you use Firefox for instance, simply type in Firefox right here, and as you can see my private box isn't checked, so simply check it, press OK, and that should be it. Now you can restart your computer, restart your laptop, and your error code 533 should be fixed. Now if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching.